All right, I have 3 pieces of polarizing filter here. These are the same bits of material that they make polarizing sunglasses out of to reduce glare. What I'm going to do today is show you that when I put them in front of a distant object like the observatory dome, some of the light is dimmed, but hardly at all, because the light from the observatory dome is randomly polarized. So some of the light doesn't get through, but most of it does. But what the polarizing filter does is it makes it's kind of like a vertical picket fence. It makes the light coming through into light that's completely vertically polarized. Okay? When I put another filter next to it, which is also vertically polarized, hardly anything changes at all. Okay? The intensity of the light coming from the observatory dome is the same. But watch what happens when I rotate the second filter. When I put it at a 45-degree angle, you can see that the image of the dome gets significantly darker. Okay? And that's because only some of the rays of polarized light are coming through. What really is amazing is what happens when I put it at a 90-degree angle. That's when the first filter is like a vertical picket fence and the second filter is like a horizontal picket fence. And so none of the light gets through. Everything going through the first picket fence is vertical. Everything going through the second one is only the horizontal. And since there is no horizontal, nothing gets through. Okay? But the real mystery is what happens when I take a third filter. And I put this filter in between the 2 other filters at a 45-degree angle. You will magically see the image of the dome come through. It's dimmer than when there's nothing, but it still comes through. What happens is the light going through the first filter is vertically polarized. The light then goes through the second filter, which makes it diagonally polarized. So it's a bit dimmer than the vertically polarized one. But because it's diagonally polarized, the third filter, which is horizontal, lets some of that second filter's light through. So even though when I have both filters at a 90-degree angle, you get no light, when I put a filter at a 45-degree angle, you get some light through. Okay? And that's kind of really strange, isn't it?